If you're tired of burning through API credits every time you have to test a new model, then this video is going to save you some money. GLM 5.2 just dropped 2 weeks ago, and if you're like everyone else who is trying to test it, then I'm going to give you the quickest way to get yourself started for free. But first of all, let me show you what I was able to build using the tokens that I was given. Right, so let's look at some of the things I was able to build using the tokens I was given. The first one, as you can see, is about a residential concept beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Just a random idea. And then you can see, I love how the background was designed. I like this globe. You can see these cards, very nice. And yeah, I also like the idea that it had to generate this. It says closer than you think, further than you've ever been. So I think that was a good one. The other thing that I was able to build was this one, which was about a data analytics company. But then the idea of this website was it had to play with the Z indexes. And as we scroll down, you see that they are different Z indexes put on top of each other, like layers, sort of. So let's see. You can see as I scroll down mainly this side as well. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I think I also like this one, but you can see that the way it is sliding, this is below this, and there are sort of layers to it. So I just like the concept, and I was just trying a lot of things. So that is about that. And then the third one, this one was the simplest one, but it is a cool idea. So you can see this web page, it sort of creates itself when someone visits the website. So let me just refresh this and you see what I'm trying to say. So you can see we have a blank a blank space, and then it starts creating the website itself. And I think it is just an interesting idea. Would I have a website like this? I don't think so, but I just think it is a cool idea to see the things that the AI can build. These are things that would take someone quite a long period of time to build. So yeah, you see that it has buttons, like you can see that button being generated and all that. So this is also a cool idea. I think I liked it as well. And then another one is this one. So for this one, I asked it to come up with a sketchy sort of landing page for a website called Draft. It is a product, and then you can see how it has created everything, just like a sketch. And this was also interesting to me. So these are the things that I was able to build, and I'll show you how many tokens I was able to use on these things. So let's now get into setting this whole thing up for free. And another thing, if you're new to the channel and you like videos like these where we go through different AI resources, large language models, AI agents, and ways to navigate these AI costs, then this is the correct place for you. Feel free to subscribe and like the video. Let's continue. So the company that is offering this model is called ZAI. And for you to get this for free, then you have to use it within their IDE called Zcode. For you to get Zcode, then you're going to use the link that I've shared in the description below. Just go there, download Zcode, and then install it. Once you have installed it, you're going to see the first window that you're going to see is going to have three options. The first one is connect to ZAI. The second one is to connect to Big Model. And then the third one is for you to use the API key. If you already have Zcode installed, you are going to go under connect. You're going to click connect again, and this is the same window that you're going to see. So the first option is connect to ZAI. The second one, connect to Big Model, and then the other one is to use your API key. If you want to use this with other models, then you're going to opt for the option to use with other API keys. But since we want the free credits, you're going to connect with ZAI. Accept the terms and conditions, and then connect. It's going to take you back. And once it has connected, you're going to see that your account has been connected. But what I want you to do is to go under settings. And right here, you're going to see that now you have your balance. So right here, you can see that I've been given 3 million tokens. And those are for today. Tomorrow, I'll be giving another 3 million tokens. So I think that is a generous offer. And from here, you can see that we have two models. We have the GLM 5.2 and the GLM 5 Pebble. So you can use both of these models. Just make sure you are under the coding plan. So that's it, guys. And another thing that you have to note is that during certain times where there is high traffic, you may see the model trying to reconnect, but then that is just because maybe at that time there is a lot of traffic. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And until next time, have a good time.